Hey guys, how's it going? This is an instructional video for how to complete Microsoft Excel assignment number 4 with Google Sheets. Okay, so if you're using Excel, go back and look at the other video if you want to do it with Excel. But in this example, we are going to use Google Sheets. So let's head over to Google Drive and let's click on New and go to Google Sheets. Okay. First thing we're going to do is we're going to add in our title right here and call this Excel number 4. It's your first name, last name, and boom. Okay. Guys, there are some instructions here in the assignment that we'll probably not do in Google Sheets because it's just specific to Microsoft Excel. First thing we want to do, let's see if we can insert a header. Let's see. Never mind. All right. So in A1, we're going to type in our first name here, last name. In column B, we're going to type in the hour. If you were in first hour, second hour, fourth hour, sixth hour, and then type in digital literacy right here. Literacy. I can spell it. Okay. All right, guys. Let's get serious here. Okay. In column number 2, let's go from A2 over to E2. What we want to do is we want to merge those. So let's go to merge all. Okay, and that takes all these boxes from A2 over to E2, and it makes them all one. Okay, so right here we're going to type in our title of the assignment, Best Technology, and we're going to center that as well. So let's center that, and then let's go down to column number row number 3 in column A. Okay. All right. So we are going to type in our column heading. So we have ranking, job name, projected jobs, median salary, and unemployment rate. Okay. So we're going to type those in row number 3. Okay. So I'm going to type in ranking. I'm going to just hit tab to go to the next one. It's an easy thing to do. Job name, projected jobs, median salary, and unemployment rate. Do you see how rate on unemployment rate, see how it goes over to the next column? Okay, that's an easy fix. All we need to do is put your mouse in between column E and F, and what we're going to do is we're going to just drag it out a little bit. Okay, so now everything fits inside of the columns where they're at. Okay, for ranking, we're going to just go from 10 down to 1. So I'm going to start at 10. Hit enter. 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Boom. Okay. And then we're going to start typing out. We're going to copy. Just type it out. Don't copy and paste it because it will ruin the formatting. So we're gonna just type in these job names in right here from 10 down to 1 right here in job names. So guys, pause the video at any time you need to get caught up. Okay. Don't let me go too far ahead. So pause it at any time you need or you want to follow along with me here. So I'm going to type in computer programmer. Do you notice how computer programmer goes over into the next column? Guys, here's an easy fix. Let's just manually adjust the column width so it fits in there. And you might have to do that a few different times. Computer systems administrator. Again, that one's even bigger. So let's just click and hold on that line in between B and C, and let's make it a little bigger. Okay, that one might be the biggest one, but guys, I'm going to pause the video right here, and I'm going to add in this information into my spreadsheet. Okay, so it will look like this in grid format. Try not to copy and paste this information in. Take your time, take a few minutes, just type it in. If you wanted to, I will let you guys make abbreviations. For example, instead of typing out administrator, you can type in admin. Okay. Let's see. Yeah, I mean, type in admin. Instead of typing out computer, you can type in comp, C-O-M-P. All right, if you wanted to do that, I'm going to type that all out. I'm going to pause the video. I'm going to come back when I've got these next two columns filled out. So I'm going to fill out ranking, job name, projected jobs, median salary, and I'm going to leave this one blank for a minute. The last column, I'll leave it blank. Okay. One other thing is when you guys are typing out these numbers, right here, these two columns, you do not have to put any commas. Don't type out any commas, anything like this. Just type out the digits. I'm going to pause the video, and then I'm going to come right back, and you're going to see what it looks like. Okay. All right, guys. I've got my numbers added in column C and column D. I'm going to wait on column E just for a minute. I'm going to show you what that looks like, and I have the job names added in here. Okay. Real quick, I'm going to just do a couple of things super fast. I'm going to make this look a little nicer. This is the title, so I'm going to make it a little bigger, bold. I'm going to bold these ones right here. That looks good. So this is the first part of the assignment. So what we need to do is projected jobs. We need to add. I'm going to highlight from 26,500 down to 118,600. And I'm going to add in, let's see, I'm going to come over here to the 1, 2, 3 with the drop down. We're going to format this. We're going to format this so it looks, we're going to format it as a number. Okay, that's what the assignment says. Format it as a number and take off the decimal places. So I did not add in, oh, wrong way. I did not add in any commas. But what I'm doing is I'm having Google Sheets do it for me. Okay. Next one, I'm going to highlight from median salary down. Don't highlight median salary, just the numbers. Okay. Highlight the numbers, and this is a. Okay, I already knew that was the number, and we added in a comma for the thousands separator. This next one is currency. So I'm just going to click on that $sign and format it as currency, and I'm going to take off the zeros. Okay. Notice how I did not type in any $signs or any commas or anything like that. Now the next one, this gets a little tricky because right now it's formatted as a number 3.5. Okay. All right. So if I typed in 3.5 right there, all right. And if I highlighted it as if I had all of my numbers in there, my percentages in there, and if I clicked on format as %, look at what happens. It changes it to 350%. Okay. What we wanted was 3.5%. Okay. All right, not 350%. So right now, it should be formatted correctly if we type in 3.5. Okay. Notice how it adds in the zero, the extra zero. I'm going to highlight that one more time, and I'm going to take off that just 1 0 right there. Okay. Now I can go down real quick and add in my numbers here. Nope, that one was 3.9, then 1.0, 6.0. Add in the 1 0, so it looks like that. It looks just like mine. You should be good. 2.0, 2.4. Awesome. There we go. Okay. All right, guys. This is the first part of the assignment. The second part of the assignment is to insert a bar chart. Okay. Now, the two pieces of information that we want, let's go to the assignment here. Okay. The two pieces of information that we want are job names and median salary. Job names and how much money people make on average in these jobs per year. That's median salary. So I'm going to highlight job name. I'm going to highlight the title, job names, all the way down to computer systems analyst. I'm going to hold down control on the keyboard, and then click and hold highlight median salary. So we have both of these columns selected. Now we can't highlight across like that because it selects projected jobs. So let's just do that column, hold down control, and do that column. It might take a couple of tries to get just those two columns highlighted. Those are the ones that we want. And let's go to insert chart. Okay. Go to insert chart. Now, column chart is where they go up and down. We want the bar chart where they should go across. So, got it. Bar chart. So let's click on that bar chart. Go down to bar chart like that. Stacking. Standard. None. Combine ranges. Y-axis job name. Median salary. And my face is in the way. Okay. Okay, this looks pretty good. First of all, I'm going to move it out of the way. I'm going to move it down here. Okay, move it down here, and I'm going to double-click on the chart title, and I'm going to just delete what it says there. I'm going to type in best technology jobs, like that. Okay. And boom, looks like that. Looks pretty good for right now. I know this looks a little crowded right here. If you guys used your, if you guys abbreviated anything, it might look, it might look a little different. So check this out though. When we change stuff in our list up here, it should automatically update down here. So let's look at that right here. I'm going to just type in admin instead of administrator. Watch what happens down on my chart here. Okay, it switched it right here from computer systems administrator to admin. If I undo, okay, it brings it back. Same thing with median salary. Let's pretend that this was 145,000. You don't have to do this. I'm just showing you how cool it is. It automatically updates the chart below. Okay, you see, automatically moved this. So if I hit undo, watch how this line goes back down to 77,000. Okay, pretty cool, guys. Once you get to this step right here, I'm going to zoom out just a little bit so you can see the whole assignment. This is the whole assignment right here. Once you get this, go ahead and turn it in on Canvas. And as usual, let me know if you have any questions. You can contact me via the Canvas messaging system. You can email me, or if you're one of my students, you can connect with me on Tuesday and Thursday mornings from 9 a.m. to 10 a.m. Okay? Guys, have a great day, and we'll talk to you later. Thanks.